Hello my friends, let's make some vegetable stew today. Here we have an onion, a corn, tomato, lemon, and pepper. Some grape, strawberry. So we're gonna need to cut this onion in half because the onion need is a half of the onion, and in the frying pan it goes. We're gonna need a lemon too. Let's cut it in half and use one half and save the other one. And here we have some corn too. Let's cut it in half with our knife. And the half goes to the pan and the other one is gonna be saved. We have pepper. Let's cut it in half too. We have tomato. Let's cut it in half. Let's cut the strawberry in half too. Some grapes. And here we're gonna bring the light up burner. There we go, let's turn it on. There we go, let's put the frying pan on the top. And let's stir, 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 stir our stew. Stir, stir, stir our stew. Let's stir our stew. Stir, stir, stir our stew. Let's stir our stew. Oh, let's taste it. Yummy, yummy, yum. Yummy, yummy, it's delicious. Let's stir it again. Stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it, stir it. And voila! Delicious stew. I like it. Thank you. Bye-bye.